Are you looking for a restoration service for your home or office? S&E Restoration Services is here to help you. We're a one-stop restoration and rebuilding company, providing services for both commercial and residential clients. We're flexible and don't lock clients into long contracts. Unlike some other restoration companies, our mediation is within the IICR standard of restoration. This ensures that your home or business is brought back to pre-loss condition without hidden damages. Our technicians are selected, screened, and fully trained to provide the best quality service. Thorough restoration process, wet carpet, floor, and drywall removal, rebuilding services, friendly 24/7 customer service. With customizable options and competitive rates, we service a large range of clients, from homes, apartment buildings, schools, medical offices, shopping centers, warehouses, dealerships, religious centers, professional offices, daycares, retail stores, gyms, and much more. Contact us today to see how we can help. S&E Restoration Services. Call 321-900-6763 or visit www.sandrestore.com.